Good afternoon,
Good
children.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How was your day, kids? How did the classes go?
Ma'am, really great. Ma'am, it was really
I'm good.
nice.
Nice.
But ma'am, I faced network issues.
But you faced network issues. Brenda, why were you
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon.
class? Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, I was not feeling well, so that's why
You are
I
not
skipped the
feeling
two,
well,
three
or were you
classes.
sleeping, Brenda? What was
Ma'am,
that?
I was not feeling well also, and at that time I was just resting.
चलो ठीक है. Share now.
Ma'am, I left two, three classes. Like I started from maths class,
Okay, so
the
are you
third or
feeling
fourth.
better now?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So we started the new chapter in the previous class, which we're not there. Okay. So you need to pick up from like a quick revision, and then you can pick up from where she's we left. And only 7 children are here in this class. What is it? Why so less? How
Ma'am,
many
this-
children were present in the previous class, Bachchan?
Ma'am, maybe this
Ma'am,
is from your...
near 9.
9 only.
Yes,
Ma'am, in
ma'am.
our class, this is the highest strength that if participant window is full of 11 students, it is the highest.
Fine then. So shall we begin, Bachchan? Shall we get started?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Brenda, we started with a new chapter and we have done till a tribal society. We have to begin with presentization of tribe. Yes?
Ma'am, wait a minute. Let me take my book, ma'am, please.
Get
For
ready for your
just a
book.
second.
Open page number 50, children. Get your books ready with the page number 15. Brenda, in the meantime, she is coming. I'm giving a quick recap with her. So in the morning, we
Okay,
started
ma'am.
with the social change in the medieval period. We read that how the tribal people, you know who are tribe? A tribe is a group of people who are united
Yes,
by
ma'am.
a common name and an ancestor, right? And these people mostly lived in the forest, right? In the forest, deserts, hills, or most of those places which were not easily accessible, right? Why did they not live with the settled communities? Because the settled communities used to have the Varna system in which the society was divided into 4 parts: Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras, right? Brahmins were at the top, they're supposed to be the purest race, purest breed. Then Kshatriyas refers to kings and warrior class. And Vaishyas were the working class, Shudras were the lower class, Das and Dasis, landless laborers, and so on. And only Brahmins and Kshatriyas enjoy a good status in society. Vaishyas and Shudras were often discriminated, right? And since the tribal society very firmly believed in equality, they did not like it at all. That is why they decided to live in the forest, have their own custom, their own religion, their own traditions, right? And they all were united by kinship bonds. Kinship basically means the brotherhood bonds, the blood relations, something like that. Okay. And this was that we read, yes. We did not have much archaeological data about them because we could not find any manuscripts or any books or any, monuments with which we could have read about them or got an idea about their history. So the
Yes, ma'am.
archaeologists use their oral traditions, right? They have passed on their oral traditions from generation to generation. The archaeologists use those traditions to get to know about the history of tribes. Got it, Bachchan? Right? This much we did in the
Yes,
first lecture today. And now we have to start with the next topic, which is peasantization of tribes. Right, children? Shall we begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have
What, beta?
to start from.
I think we have discussed a bit about it.
No, ma'am, like, ma'am,
No,
you
ma'am.
just said that, ma'am, like,
Ma'am,
the
just
archaeologists or the
better.
historians just like image that, ma'am, just like image that about the tribal society.
Fine. Okay. So now who are peasants, children? Do you know who are peasants?
Yes, ma'am. You have told that peasants who are the like working people or just you have told in morning. I forgot.
I will keep on telling a lot of things, children. You will not remember any one of single one of them if you not pay attention. It will not jot them down. If you would have written it down, you would have remembered it by now. I think you would have seen.
Ma'am, I have written everything. Ma'am, see, but on this only I left. I'm sorry.
You need to be very attentive. No? That you have to learn it. Yes, who will tell me who are peasants? I told you in the morning, beta. This is not done. What do you mean the peasantization of time? Who were peasants? Just tell me that. Peasants were the laborers who work on others' land, right? The farmers who work on others' land. Landless laborers are also known as peasants, right?
Excuse me.
Okay.
Yes,
Sarah, Sarah, read.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, just reading. During the early medieval period, agriculture expanded and more forest land was brought under cultivation. This resulted in the assimilation of many of the tribal communities in the social fold and led to the peasantation of these tribes living in the forest area. These became a part of settled communities. This whole process not only influenced the tribes, but the tribal culture and custom also got assimilated and absorbed in the mainstream social step up. The origin of worksheet of Lord Jagannath could be traced to the early medieval tribal culture. Rath Yatra festival is celebrated every year in the Puri to worship Lord Jagannath.
Right.
Ma'am,
Okay, thank you so much, Bachche. So, children, as you can see, she read and explained to us that what happened in the medieval era, agriculture expanded. What do we mean by agriculture expanded?
Ma'am, the practice of
Like agriculture.
Right,
the practice of agriculture expanded like
right.
more.
And because of the expansion of
More.
agriculture, forest area came under
Have civilization.
cultivation. Forest area came under cultivation. Basically, people started clearing the patch forest and started doing cultivation there as well. Okay, Sanya, your video is not clear. Some red dot is visible. It was your hand,
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
right? Sarah and Brinda, you can turn your videos on if you want to. It will be good too.
Mom, I'm just turning it on. I was just
Ma'am, I'm
setting
just
up my
telling.
camera because we did experiment in the last class, so that is why.
Yes, ma'am, me too. Ma'am, see, ma'am, like I just settled all the things there.
Good. Hi, Sarah. I can see you now. In the morning, your video was on. Right, children. Okay. So yes, presentization of tribal period that agriculture expanded. Forest area came under cultivation. And who lived in these forest, children?
Ma'am, the tribe.
The tribes.
The tribes.
Family tribe.
And what happened is that it led to what? It led to peasantization of tribes. When cultivation started happening in their area only where they used to live, so they also started taking part in it. They also started earning. They also started working as
Ma'am?
peasants in others' farms, others' land. Yes, yes, let us answer.
Ma'am, Kanak is saying that she will not be able to attend this class because her phone battery is like 2%.
I know. Okay, so it led to the peasantization of tribes, right, children? Clear?
Ma'am, from morning I am attending my class by connecting the data to my lab.
Great.
Ma'am, since morning.
And my battery is 64%. Ma'am, I have not charged my phone from morning.
मैम
5%.
मैम मैं कभी चार्ज नहीं करती हूँ भूल जाती हूँ
Actually, ma'am, today my phone battery was 90% when I started class. Actually, every day I'm starting from 100% only.
Fine.
Ma'am, my phone battery is 5.
I think it will die soon. If it is not charging and then into class. Right? So yes, when forest area came under cultivation, it led to the peasantization of tribes. And once the tribes started working as peasants, starting mixing up with the people, right? The settled people, then what happened is they became a part of settled communities, right? They became part of settled communities, right, children? Okay. Now, what happened is that this whole process not only influenced tribes, see, tribes were influenced very clear, but even their culture and customs were also affected. The culture and custom of tribes also got assimilated or absorbed in the mainstream social setup. Okay. Children, see, this is how we make notes. Right now, it's a live example in front of you. That's the way we make notes. Now you're in class 7. Now you'll be coming in class.
Mom, like I just write the short forms like that I can understand.
Right. This is the way
Ma'am, I'm
we
also writing them down.
Yes, ma'am. I'm also just underlining all
in
the
case you
things.
don't want to write it down, you can underline it in your book as well. Which
Yes, ma'am. Like
Yes, ma'am. I'm underlining because ma'am, if I will write, so ma'am, not every time I'm having like copy, but book I'm having.
fine. Okay. So this is how basically their cultures and customs of tribes also got assimilated in the setup. Now there is a lord they have talked about, Lord Jagannath. Have you heard of Lord Jagannath, children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Right. So the origin of Lord Jagannath is basically related with the
Ma'am, I heard of Jagannath temple, not Lord Jagannath.
so Jagannath temple.
Ma'am, people in the South India used to
Whom I
worship to them a lot.
I wanna find in Jagannath temple, Lakshmi ji. Huh? Sai Baba. Tell me.
Ma'am, we are worshipping temples to God Lord only. So ma'am,
If it's a Lord Jagannath temple, then obviously it will be temple of Lord Jagannath only, right? So yes, it's very famous and very popular in southern India. So the origin of Lord Jagannath could be traced to the early medieval tribal culture, right? Right? Could be traced
Yes, ma'am.
to tribal culture. Let's take a pause here, children, and tell me one thing. The words which they're using here, assimilated, okay, or they have read more absorbed, or could be traced to. What is the meaning of all these terms? What do you mean by all these terms? What does it mean by saying all these things? That they become a part of, they became a part of settled communities. Their culture and custom also got assimilated in the mainstream setup. What do we mean by this? What do we mean by this, children? Tell me.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
I'm asking, what do we mean by saying that their culture and customs of tribes also got assimilated in the mainstream setup? What's the meaning of this one? This point.
Ma'am, mainstream setup.
What do you mean by this point? Yes, Zara.
Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
setup.
their cultures were disturbed by the human activities.
It was disturbed. It was mixed. Basically, you can say it was merged with the mainstream setup, like the setup or the culture and customs of the, you can say, of the settled communities. They also started sharing their cultures and customs. Like if we talk about Lord Jagannath, so people believe that Lord Jagannath was a lord of the tribal communities, and since the tribal communities began living with the settled communities, so this lord became popular. Okay, and apart from this, right, Brenda, read the next passage.
Okay, ma'am. The origin of Rajputs during the early medieval period is also traced to the emergence of various tribal groups. They belong to different lineages such as Hunas, Chandelas, and Chaukalyas, and became powerful by the 11th and 12th centuries. They gradually replaced the older rulers, especially in agriculture areas, and became to be regarded as Rajputras or sons of kings, nomads, or
Stop it.
in
Right?
okay.
So when they said that the origin of Rajputs, have you heard of Rajputs, children?
Yes, ma'am.
You know
ma'am.
Yes,
that
ma'am.
Rajputana kingdom is one of
Yes.
the most famous kingdom of its time, right? The Rajputana kingdom is one of the most famous kingdom, right? We have heard stories about of gallantries and of the warriorship of Rajputs. So Rajput, the origin of Rajputs can also be traced to the emergence of tribal groups. Like when the tribal groups emerged in the settled communities, that's the time when the Rajputs originated, right? And they these tribal groups, like these Rajputs also belong to different lineages. Some came from Hunas, Chandelas, Chalukyas, right? These kingdoms were set up by tribe, right? Chalukyas were tribal people, Chandelas, right? And they became very powerful by the 11th century. By the 11th century, they started having good power. Okay, and they gradually replaced the older rulers, especially in agricultural areas, and came to be regarded as Rajputras or sons of kings. Got it? Right? What were they known as? Tell me, what were they known as? The Rajputs?
Ma'am, ma'am, the son of kings, like they were the son of kings.
Ma'am, they are like a power.
Sons
Ma'am, they have made a powerful kingdom.
Right.
I'm the Rajputras.
Rajputras. Ma'am, on page number 51 it is written as
Ma'am, we have
Rajputras or
read
sons of
chapter.
kings.
Ma'am, we have read this in
Yes, ma'am.
previous chapter, Rajputanas.
And
Ma'am, there was a dynasty of them.
that is what I was trying to tell you. It is a very important dynasty, Rajputras. Rajputanas के बारे में भी हम पढ़ेंगे. I think the ninth chapter is about this only. Then we'll read about the Rajputs as well. So they came to be known as Rajputras. Putra in Hindi means son. Okay, and Raj means king. So they came to be known as son of kings.
Kings.
Clear? Is it clear
Son of
to you? Have you jotted this down? Or are you gonna take 2 minutes for it?
What?
Have you noted this down? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. I've underlined it.
Underline, noted whatever it is done. So children, before we move to the next topic, please just go through this much and ask me if there is any single doubt in that. Any doubt if you have any. Please go through this much.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, please tell me.
Ma'am, like where this like Lord Jagannath? Ma'am, who is he?
Lord Jagannath, I'll show you some pictures of Lord Jagannath. Maybe you can relate to them. Okay.
He's like, ma'am, like Lord Shiva or me.
Yeah, basically Lord Jagannath is again a Lord. भगवान है एक मतलब everybody has their own belief. सबने अपने अपने भगवान बनाए हुए हैं. So ऐसे ही similarly he is also a God, right? Let's just look at some pictures of Lord Jagannath.
Ma'am, yesterday only my mother was listening to Lord Jagannath's story.
Wow. So abhi I'll show you that you'll be able to relate to it, right?
Maybe I say no. Like
Can you see these pictures?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This god is known as Lord Jagannath, and that is how the tribals have their lord, right?
Like Shiva or
Lord. That's why his roots are traced in the tribal society, right? In the tribal era, right? And you have also read about the Rath Yatra. So I'll show you some pictures of the Rath Yatra.
yes,
Ma'am, I'm
ma'am.
also
No,
having
ma'am, I
the
don't think
picture.
Wow. She's having
I'm
a
like, I'm having a
So this is a very, very big festival, by the way. Okay, so Rath Yatra dekho, can you see?
so much crowd.
Can you see the crowd at Rath Yatra? It's
Yes,
annual
ma'am.
festival and people go there like anything, right? They carry different raths. for these temples, right? That's how you can see. Okay.
My mama used to my mama and my auntie used to like dress up my god like they are Lord Jagannath.
What?
Ma'am, they used to dress up my god like they are Lord Jagannath, like the same way.
Names of God, ma'am. Like, ma'am, when like Allahabad is my hometown, so ma'am, like there was a temple. I was just ma'am later Hanumanji there was a temple, ma'am near Sangam. So I used to think that Hanumanji उसमें सो गए थे जाके.
Okay, so,
Ma'am, mama.
so you can see in the apply, the green box, you can see it. They have told you to identify and name this temple. I think now you can name this temple.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the temple?
Ma'am,
Lord Jagannath Temple, right? Jagannath Temple. Which state is it located in? Who'll tell this? Which state is it located in? Arnav, are you there? Please show us
Ma'am.
something about your existence, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I thought you're not here only.
No, ma'am.
You're neither speaking nor your video is on.
ma'am, I think it is in
Ma'am,
Odisha.
because my battery is ma'am, it's on 8%.
Okay.
Ma'am, I think it is in Odisha.
Puri is in which state?
Odisha.
Odisha, right. Write it down. It is in Odisha. What kind of archaeological style is it?
Ma'am, I don't know this one.
Anybody?
Ma'am, what?
Like we have to tell the shape, ma'am, like architecture of it.
Now, which kind of architectural style is it?
Ma'am, dome shape.
Oh, the Persian architecture, the Indian architecture. Which kind of architecture?
Ma'am, Indian architecture.
It's Uriya architecture. Which is it? Uriya.
Ma'am, Oriya architecture. Ma'am, here in book is also written that in every year in Puri to worship Lord Jagannath. So, ma'am, Puri is in Odisha only.
Right. you know
That is.
Okay. So, children, is it clear? Shall we start with the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am, clear.
So, children, the next topic is. Just a minute, I need to clear it off.
Nomads.
Nomads and itinerant groups.
Yeah.
Ma'am, nomads and
Ma'am, nomads and
Now, the
itinerant
next
groups.
topic is nomads and itinerant groups. What's the meaning of itinerants? Nomads, we know who are nomads, right? And itinerant groups. What's the meaning of this?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please explain about baniyas? It was mentioned in the previous chapter.
Baniyas is
Yes, ma'am.
basically a class of people who basically
Ma'am, businessman and ma'am, shopkeeper.
who were mostly involved in trading.
Ma'am, I am also Baniya.
ma'am, itinerant means
Ma'am,
like
usually
from
Gupta.
Sarwals,
one place to
Khandelwals, these are
another.
baniyas. When they
Ma'am,
are-
I think itinerant
because
and
they
nomad
have
are
always
same.
excelled in businesses. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that itinerants, ma'am, that groups like craft.
Ma'am, they are
groups.
groups like nomads only. Ma'am, like they move from one place to
Ma'am, like
another.
they are traveling from another place to place.
Okay, Arnab will
Practicing
read
their
us.
different.
and
Ma'am,
what-
they are the people who used to travel from place to place.
Yes, Arnab will tell us about these.
Okay, ma'am. Nomads and itinerant
Nomads,
groups.
Nomads.
Nomads and itinerant groups. Nomads were wandering pastoralists who roam from one
Nomads.
pastoralists pastoralists who roam from one pasture to another with their families and herd of cattle. Similarly, internet groups such as artisans, craftsmen, traditional storytellers, and entertainers travel from one place to another practicing their different occupation. Both nomads and internet groups often visit the same place every year. These are known as mobile communities.
Okay, right. So Nomads are the wandering pastorates. Wandering pastorates मतलब pastorates कौन होते हैं? पहले मुझे आप लोग ये बताइए, who are pastorates?
Who are?
Ma'am, they don't have a single place where they live. Ma'am, they are just moving from one place to another. Ma'am, in Hindi we say them like banjare.
Ma'am, what you say that
Basically,
I'm not
pastorates
able
का
to
main
hear.
motive होता है, they go to the pasture lands with their cattle, right? They have herds of cattle, like herds of sheep, herds of cows, okay? And they move from one place to another so that the cattle can have the grasses at different places, right? So that's why they are wandering, because they keep on, they're always on move. They always move from one place to another. They're always going on from one place to another. That's why we call them pastoralists, right? So this is what nomads are. Then they said that they roam from one pasture to another with their families and herd of cattle, right? What does mean by one pasture means one area where they can, like grassland. Pastures are basically known as, pasture means
I'm like a paste or posture.
grassland.
Grasslands, ma'am,
Not
where
grassland.
like
Pastures means grasslands, pasture lands, right? Okay. So the yeah. And similarly, itinerant groups. क्या होते हैं? These people are, you might have seen people performing on roads. Have you seen? Have you seen people performing on roads? Have you seen them?
yes, ma'am.
Street dance.
Ma'am, like on yes, ma'am. Street
Right.
dance are
These
very
people are
famous.
known as banjaras and all. They are also part of these this community only. They are known as traditional storytellers, entertainers who travel from place to place, practicing their different occupations. Right. Both the nomads and the itinerant groups often visit the same places every year, and they are known as what? Also known as what are they also known as?
Mobile
Ma'am,
communities.
Why are they known as
Mobile
mobile
communities.
communities?
Ma'am, because like, ma'am,
Why are they known
ma'am,
as
like
mobile
they're
communities?
just moving like our mobile.
Hanji?
Ma'am, I'm not sure. I'm just guessing.
Yes, tell me what are you guessing?
I'm
Ma'am,
just
I think
guessing
because
like
we work
in
as a mobile phone, like we used to send a messages
or
and all.
something, or इसकी battery हो जाती है तो
You can always have a very good inclusion with it. They are known as mobile communities because just like we can
Ma'am,
carry,
because they
and why is mobile known as mobile phone? Because you can carry it anywhere with yourself, right? Similarly, they are known as mobile communities because they move to different places. They can go anywhere, right? They do not have a settled place, a settled house. They move. They are always on move, right? The people who perform circus, right? The artists at circus. They are also known as itinerant groups because they also don't have a settled place. They are always on move, right? Got it about them?
Yes, ma'am. And I'm just
yes,
talking
ma'am.
from that.
Right, children? Now, the next topic
Ma'am,
is political significance of the tribe. Next is political significance of the tribes. Political
Can I read?
significance. What is the meaning of significance, children?
Ma'am, the sign.
Sign.
What are you saying about sign? Significance means
Ma'am, sign means not that sign. Ma'am, like, ma'am, political significance, not about that sign.
children.
Like,
What are you gonna do in your life? Significance means importance. Significance means
Ma'am,
Zehra,
attention or something like that.
significance means importance.
Yes, ma'am.
what
Taking
do we
or
notice?
grabbing attention.
Ma'am, notice thing, like,
Importance of tribe. Significance means
Ma'am,
importance.
something like
ma'am.
attention.
What are the important characteristics of type? Importance of something is
Yes.
known as significance of something. Why is it useful? What is the significance of a pen? What is the importance of a pen? Use of a pen. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So let's talk about why are they politically important. Let's see that. Right. So Zehra will read
Yes.
now. Everybody has read. She has read.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am. Significance of the tribe.
Read.
Yes, ma'am. Despite these episodes of assimilation in the early medieval period, most of the tribes and itinerant groups were able to secure and shield their position not only culturally but politically and economically as well. This was largely because of their location in the Fortiner region and also because they
Region. Say
control the
the location in the
yes, ma'am.
frontier region.
Frontier region and also because they control the key trade routes and forest resources. None of the medieval rulers could afford to take them lightly, but they had a powerful tribal militia.
Right. Okay. So now, if we read about this, and they have said that despite these episodes of assimilation in the early medieval period, it means that no matter what happened, however, they have got assimilated with the settled communities. Some of them have got mixed up, but some of them have still retained their originality, right? They are saying that most of the tribes and groups were able to secure, right? So we can write that many of them secured and shielded. Many of them secured and shielded their position, not only culturally, right? Position culturally, politically, and economically as well, right? Culturally, politically, and economically as well. Shielding, they achieved it, right? They gave it to themselves, right? They had some importance on themselves. They did not change their customs or everything. No, because of this only still we have many tribes as the way they are, right? This is the reason I was able to show you pictures of the tribal people even today, right?
Yes.
Now, this was largely because of their location in the frontier regions and also because they controlled the key trade routes and forest resources. And how could they do it? Because of they did it because of why? Tell me the points. How could they secure their position, culturally, position, politically, and economically? One point, because they were because of location in frontier region.
location and
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 And their
because
trade
they
routes as well.
control the key trade also,
right,
and the forest resources also.
right, because of location in frontier region. First point, right. What can be the second point?
Ma'am, that they control the key trade routes.
Right, controlled key trade routes.
And ma'am, third point, the forest resources. They have also used that.
What? Controlled free trade routes and forest resources may add for second term. See, because this was something which was in the control of the tribal people, so the king the people of the settled communities used to come and ask for their help, right? To help them with the trade routes, to provide them forest resources, right? हमने पिछले chapter में पढ़ा था that the king used to ask the tribal people to provide them forest resources, if you remember a bit, right? In the administrative town. Okay. So, because they and none of the medieval rulers could afford to take them lightly. No ruler took the tribal people lightly. They always had huge respect for these tribal people because they had a powerful tribal military, right? Were given importance.
Militia, what's the meaning of that?
Military. Were given importance by rulers because they had Powerful? What?
I'm tribal.
ma'am, how are you?
What?
Military.
They had powerful tribal military. Haven't you seen in the movies whenever anybody enters their tribal area, how all the people come and circle them around? Have you seen that? Like how could you enter our area?
Yes,
Mom,
ma'am.
one of my friend of my mama, like her husband was forest officer, and ma'am, like these tribal people threw them away in the river.
Huh?
Mom, the forest, yes, mom, the forest team came and saved him.
See, these people are very powerful. They are very, actually, they have a lot of unity in themselves, right? And this unity of theirs provides them a lot of importance. That is why in the medieval era, the people who have no basically secure and shelter.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vita.
ma'am, like you have told that they followed their own unique language, ma'am. They are like, everyone will should be equal. They are feeling so, ma'am, why they are harming people?
They're talking about their community, right? They were like, because that's how they have originated. That's what they have got from their forefathers, and they are respecting that, right? That language they got from their forefathers. From the beginning, they're speaking that language only, right? They do not want, they have not done this in their community. No, they have not given people that no, you are low class, you are high class. No, they all are living together as one family, as brotherhood. आपने देखा ना कैसे how united they are. If you have seen some videos and pictures of the tribal people, I'll try to find some and send them to you. Right? The videos related to tribal people, you can understand with that the kind of unity they have. Okay? So try to see that. Okay, children? Okay. And the reason they were giving a lot of importance, nobody took them lightly because they had very powerful, what? They had very powerful military, right? So the kings knew that in case if the king needed to fight some other army, right? And in case he's falling short of military, he can always take help of them, right? Instead of fighting them and making them an enemy, they can make them their friends and utilize their help. Got it? Clear? Please go through this
Yes,
much
ma'am.
and let me know if there's any doubt. Hurry up, children. Go through it. Done?
Yes, ma'am, just doing.
Okay, take your time. Hurry up, kids. Hurry up, kids.
Ma'am, I have highlighted my book in a rainbow way. Ma'am, seriously, I'll show you. Ma'am, see, this is pink, and this is highlighted as pink, this is blue, this is green, and now here, next paragraph, next color.
Mom, if you
Ma'am,
will
my
see,
book is much colorful than that one.
More colorful.
mom,
Yes, ma'am, mine also.
Ma'am, my sister used to say, is this a book or a rainbow? Just tell me that.
her book
Well,
is
you know,
really
you
a
do
rainbow.
the colorful manner. All you need to do is to just mark the important points. That's the main.
Ma'am, I just highlighted.
Ma'am, we are like, we
ma'am.
used
Ma'am,
to
also
mark
just
the whole book
highlighting
and
this
say that the whole book is important. We have
Mom,
to
I
highlight all
feel a
of
girl.
them.
That's not the
Mom,
right.
in class, I will
Ma'am,
not
like what
tell her.
Karthik did in his school, ma'am, he
Ma'am,
colored
book का chapter ही highlight कर लिया
Children,
था.
okay, fine. The meeting is now about to end. Do it. Read it well this much today, right? Tomorrow we're gonna continue with the next part, right? Try to look for some videos regarding the tribal people. Try to understand their culture so that it will be easy for you to understand the chapter. Okay, even I'll send some videos. Okay, and children, please share your PPTs in the group and the videos that you have made, right? Of the previous
And
chapter.
the work. Mom, the work.
You can share them in the group. What, beta?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Sane, you too.
Ma'am, just now we have to share.
No, by the evening you can share. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what we have to share, can you repeat?
Anji Vinder, what?
Ma'am, can you repeat what we have to
You
share?
have to share the PPTs or the videos which you have made of the previous chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, thank you so much.